I teach a variety of classes here, but all of them pertain to the realm of human resource management and leadership. My audience typically would be people in supervisory or leadership positions in their organization. I think most of the other courses are geared toward helping people lead more effectively, helping them understand moving into guiding and inspiring people, what keeps people in that state where they're engaged employees and really emotionally tied to the organization. I think every employer is looking for ways to retain their talent today. So having effective leadership helps that along dramatically. I tend to get feedback that appreciates the storytelling. I think we internalize the concepts by way of anchoring those concepts with stories. And I've had a 25-year-long career in human resource management, and I have an arsenal of stories and examples to offer. We also discuss all the concepts in the classroom, and I believe the people who attend the workshops learn as much from each other as they do from the content that's offered. So it's very collaborative, and people seem to walk away with applicable skills, which they appreciate. And I think that's why people take courses here at the center. You know, they're working professionals, they're in it day to day, and at times we just find that we need more tools than we have. So I think most of the workshops here help people really elevate their skill and walk away with something meaningful.